Good day. Do you know how to read this multiplication sentence? That will be our lesson for today.
All the time, math. Numbers, I see numbers everywhere I look. Price tags, speed limits, calendars, and books. How much money have you saved? How many kids at school? Now add them all together.
Okay, kids, listen carefully about my instruction. I will read the sentence first, and then you will follow after. You will hear the sound indicating that you will start reading. But before that, I will introduce to you on how to read multiplication sentence. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. The other way of reading this multiplication sentence is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Instead of is equal to, you may use equals. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now it's your turn to read after me. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 9 times 8 is equal to 72.